Hello and welcome back to Repairman 101 channel. This motorcycle had a minor accident. And this plastic part has a broken screw tab. It's not a cheap part, so we will repair it. We will use a common metal washer to repair the broken tab. First we heat it using the blowtorch, so that it can be firmly welded to the plastic. Next we must fill it with plastic and shape the tab. For this we will use a common 100-watt soldering iron. But in order not to damage the original tip, I will build one suitable for welding plastic. I'm using a piece of copper pipe from an old air conditioning unit. Meanwhile, I would like to know, where are you from? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for your feedback. Let's see how to use our new tip to finish the repair. I will use a piece of this old plastic lid to use as filler material for our piece. I hope you can use this plastic repair idea someday, and let me know the results. We are getting the proper shape on this side. Now we need to fill and shape the tab on the other side of the piece. I will be using the same technique I just showed. Using 120 grit sandpaper, we give the plastic a smooth finish. We finish the job by opening the hole for the screw and cleaning the part. Job completed. Just need to install it on the motorcycle. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next week.